discuss about urbanization. Chapter 4, Urbanization. What do you mean by urbanization? Urban means the migration of people to the urban area. It refers to the shift of population from rural area to urban area. Rural area means where there are villages. Villages area are called rural area and city area is called urban area. So when there are many people migrate from village to city, this is called urbanization. So it is the gradual increase in the proportion of people living in the urban area. Means the population of people is increasing in urban areas. Urbanization began during the Industrial Revolution. Industrial Revolution means when there was too much increases in the number of industries. From villages to cities, the people started moving. They started moving for the purpose of seeking good jobs. In cities, there is so many opportunities for better jobs, so the people started moving towards the city area, urban areas. The growth of urbanization occurred at a rapid rate after independence as India adopted a mixed economy. Mixed economy means a economic system combining both private and public sector. Public sector means where there is a hold of government, and private sector means where the people participate in that area, that is private sector. So after independence there was mixed economy. In industries there was part of government also and the part of common people also. In this way the urbanization took place at a rapid rate. According to the data released by the Census of India, for the first time since independence, the absolute increase in population is more in urban areas than in rural areas. Means there was increase in the population of urban area comparison to rural areas. Rural population in India was 68.84% and urban area it is 31.60%. Level of urbanization also increased and the proportion of rural population declined, means it decreased. So because of the better job opportunities, industrial revolutions and the mixed economy, urbanization increases at a rapid pace. Let's know about the causes of the urbanization. Why people move from rural areas to urban areas? First of all, if we discuss about the urbanization, the first point that comes to our mind is the better job opportunities. Due to industrial revolution, there were many jobs, there were demand of people for working, so the people moved towards urban areas for the better job facilities. Next is the growth of industries. As I told you earlier also, when there was industrial revolution, people, those having no land for cultivation, they started moving towards the urban area. And as a result of industrialization, a large chunk of population started moving towards the industrial area, and they settled down nearby the industries. In developing countries, the urbanization usually occur when people move from villages to settle in cities in hope of gaining a better standard of living. So, the two main factors that I will discuss with you about the pull factors and the push factors. What do you mean by pull factors? As obvious from the word itself, pull means to pull something towards ourselves. Pull, first off, pull factor, in pull factor, how the urban areas pull the people towards itself is job in factories. There were many jobs requirement of the people, so the people started moving towards urban area. Second is the improved quality of life. In urban areas there was standard of living, so the people started moving towards urban area. Housing facilities were there, better sanitation, better education, better plumbing and electricity. All these facilities were available in urban areas. That's why also the people started moving to the urban areas. These factors pull the people towards the urban area. Next is the push factor. Push factor means why do the people of the villages went to the urban area? First off, reduced jobs. With the coming of the machinery, use of machinery, there was less jobs. Use of tractors and other machines in farming reduced the jobs. And there was in villages, there was poor quality of life as the farmer has to work for the long hours, but there is less benefit. There is less benefit, no profit, less profit, and that's the factor, push factor, that push the people towards urban area. No facilities. Still there are some villages where there is no electricity, no good school, no hospital. These requirements also push the people towards the urban areas.